Hi there, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Today I'm going to introduce you to Blonix.io. Buy and sell currency in minutes. Trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and the top altcoins on the legendary currency asset exchange. You can register now by just clicking on register now. Click register now to register on it. Enter your email, enter your password, confirm your password, enter your referral ID for which I'll give in the description, and also it's optional. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in on it. I'm going to log in, click login, enter your mail, enter your password, and log in. Boom, I am logged in successfully. Here is my dashboard. You can see it right here, my UID, join time, each and everything, and my current wallet. So let me tell you about Blonex.io first. Okay, you can continue with Google, Apple. Also, you can get the app from the App Store and the Play Store as well. Crypto live exchange rates. Today, here are the live trades like new listings, sport, top gainers, futures as well. Like the top gainer in the last 24 hours is Doge with a pair of USDT with a change of 3.725% up in the last 24 hours. You can view the total market by just clicking on view market, and here you will be redirected to this page. You can see the trading data as well. You can see the markets as well. Here is the trading data. You can see the hot coins, new pairs. Also you can see the markets like hot pairs, new pairs, top gainers, sport, futures. You can favorite your coin and you can trade in the pair you want, like BTC by USDT, BCH, EDA, Link, Doge, Ethereum, LTC, Polygon, XLM, SUI. You can trade in any of the coin you want. Here is the current total volume of these coins, right? Okay, here is Trade Crypto AI powered risk sport exchange scenario based derivatives infrastructure, not auto trading. Okay, not auto trading, not profit promises structure over impulse. See again, not auto trading, not profit promises structure over impulse. Remember it till the end of the video and I'll tell about it more. AI assisted trading like Blonex provides an AI support system designed to assist traders in understanding market signals. Beginner and pro AI user controlled AI market insights like real-time AI analysis highlights market trends, volatility signals, and trading opportunities. Meet the worldwide community. You can join us on Twitter, Telegram, as well as on Discord. Here is our Telegram channel, Blonex Official, with 7,267 subscribers. You can join us on Telegram as well as on X, formerly known as Twitter, Blonex. Here is our contact 24 by 7 live sport. You can get your answers from our live sport from Telegram. Okay, let us see the more. We have many options in the crypto like deposit crypto, withdraw crypto, P2P trading, staking, market, wallet, overview, spot, funding, futures, history, and others. You can trade, convert, spot, and margin. You can see the futures like USDTM futures, CoinM futures, spot trading, demo futures. You can see the more like trading fees, leaderboard, referral program, and reward center as well. If we go to crypto, click deposit, it's way too easy, way too simple to deposit in Blonex. Select the token and copy the wallet address. Select the token and network you want to deposit and copy the wallet address shown on this page. Withdraw to the wallet address, paste the copied wallet address on and other exchange platforms and submit a withdrawal application. Transfer confirmation. Wait for the blockchain network to confirm the transfer deposit successful. After the blockchain network has confirmed the transfer, go build with the transfer the asset to your wallet address. Like select your crypto, like I'm going to deposit USDT, select the network. Okay, yes, send only USDT to this network. It's our Tether USDT TRC20, and you will get the address. That's it. It's way too simple, way too easy. Okay, let me show you the trade in the sport features. Here you can see our trading. Let me go you trade in sport. Okay, here is the order book. Here is the trading view for BTC with a pair of USDT. Current price is 76,097. 24-hour low volume with 75,000. 24-hour high volume with 76,400. 24-hour volume in USDTs is around 1 million USDTs. Okay, you can see the market trends, you can see the trading views, you can see the total price chart right here in the sport trading. Here is the order book, market trades, you can see your trades as well. You can enter your order right here, price, amount, limit. You can purchase it by market value, stop limit, and the limit as well. Same for USDT futures. Here is the futures, USDTM futures. It's a highly risky endeavor with the potential for both great profits and significant losses. Please be aware that in the event of extreme price movement, there is a chance that all margin balance in your future wallet may be liquidated. Future trading is restricted for users from certain regions. Okay, so that's the point right here. Okay, it's way too easy, way too simple. Now let me show you pre-sale for Blonex.io. Blon pre-sale utility token for Blonex exchange. We have our own token named Blon. Blon is a utility token used within the Blonex exchange. Next AI features: receive fee discounts, receive VIP status, participate in loss compensation campaigns, access advanced tools and reward boost. You can see the tokenomics on just clicking on view tokenomics, and current price is $0.1. The next price will be $0.15. The pre-sale ending in 26 days, 44 minutes and 4 seconds. Connect your wallet, click connect wallet, select your wallet, connect your wallet, purchase Blon for your bright future. Your total USDT raised to 30k. Blon sold 4.35 million. Supply left 245.65 million. The total supply is 1 billion. Pre-sale supply is 250 million, while the stages are 9. Here is a pre-sale contract address, network address, token contract for Blon. You can get your Blon with USDT as well as BNB. Like if you want the Blon for 100 USDTs, you will get 1000 Blons. Connect your wallet first and boom, it's done. Our supported ecosystems are AWS, Chainlink, Google Cloud, Coinbase, Cloudflare, TradingView, CoinJacko, CoinMarketCap, as well other. Okay. Derivatives First Exchange, next gen platform featuring perpetual futures, up-down trading, and AI assisted strategy systems. The preview is coming soon for the up-down trading as well as derivative trading. Our platform specialize in derivatives trading. Perpetual futures up down products with a simplified UX accessible to all users, featuring real time risk controls and AI assisted systems, signal analysis, risk scoring, strategy templates for smarter trading. AI features are assistive only and do not guarantee any outcomes. Here are our key features like perpetual futures engine, up down trading, real time risk controls, AI assisted signals, AI order assistance, strategy templates, reward center, tire based benefits, matching speed less than 10 ms, uptime 99.9%, trading pairs 200 plus, AI rule enforcement ecosystem. You can read the other as well. Join Blonex Exchange, purchase our utility token for your bright future. Hope you understand the video. If you understand the video, share the video with your friends. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.